What's up, YouTube? Mr. Porkchop back here with another good video today. So today's video is gonna be a little interesting. I got a class. One of the next classes I'm taking is going to be operating systems for programmers. So mainly Linux, and the only other operating systems really gonna be using is either like Mac or Windows, which I'm already pretty familiar with. But for this video, I'm going to be installing Linux into a virtual machine. At least that's what I'm going to be trying to do. My school actually has some instructions and some links to where I can download everything. So I'll go through all that in this video and see how it goes. I also changed my background. This was me back in like 2012 in Afghanistan. The guys with me are actually guys from the country of Georgia. They don't even speak English. None of these guys spoke English. It was really fun trying to work with them, but yeah, it's a story for another time. Alright, here we go. So the first thing I need to do is to download VMware Player. So let's do that. Also, if you're going to install a virtual machine onto your computer, you may need to change some of your BIOS settings. I did it not too long ago for when I was trying to build a mobile app, and I wanted that mobile kind of phone virtual machine on here. So I had to go into my actual BIOS settings and change some things. I'll try to squeeze that video in of me changing my BIOS into this if I can. So this is the site that my school gave me. Alright, what am I looking for exactly? So, desktop end user computing section, I'm looking for VMware Player. That's the only one that has Player in it, so let's go with that one. They said if you're using Mac, they said to do VMware Fusion. So, if you're on a Mac, grab this one. If you're Windows, I guess you grab this one. Click on download link on one of the versions below. Guess we go here. Alright, I'm going to download this. Alright, the other thing I need to do is download a Linux version. The Linux version VMware app appliance. So we're going to go to this website here. Alright, what's up everybody? So yeah, I had a little bit of issue trying to actually get the Ubuntu desktop from that other website. So yeah, we're just going to go with right from the actual Ubuntu.com. We're just going to go here and download it. And then I should be able to just use this. At least I'm hoping. So anyway, what I already did before, which we got the VM box, and then I just downloaded this. Let that download. Once that's downloaded, I think I should be able to kind of figure out the rest of it as far as setting it up, how to do it. So I'm just going to click on create a new virtual machine, installer disk, no installer disk image. So I think this is where I need to put what I just downloaded. So downloads, alright, right here. So I think that's what I'm going to use as my image. Alright, that's fine. I'm sure that's good. Installer disk image file. I will install the operating system later. No, I want to use the operating system now. Alright, full name, I guess. Personalized Linux. I don't really know what else it wants me to do for that. Username, we'll just go with Porkchop, one word, lowercase. Virtual machine name, Ubuntu 64-bit, that's fine. Location, I think I'd rather have this on one of my other drives, only because I don't have a lot of space on the other one. Sure. Virtual machine's hard disk is stored as one or more files on the host computer's physical disk. These files start small and become large as you add applications. Alright. Recommended size for that is 20 gigs. Split virtual disk into multiple files. Store virtual disk as a single file. Splitting the disk makes it easier to move the virtual machine to another computer, but may reduce performance with very large disks. Well, I don't know that I'm going to be moving it to another computer. I mean, I don't know. I guess I'm just going to leave it there. We'll double it. I don't really know how much I'm going to need. Power on this virtual machine after creation. Alright, I mean, I'll give it a try.
Hey, can you just put more paper in that printer and just bring up all the stuff that I printed?
Yeah, I can do that. The virtual... What is going on? VMware tools for Linux version. If you do not download VMware tool, easy install will not fully complete. What you like to do? Download, install. I mean, it looks like it's doing what it's supposed to. Alright, give me 1 second. Sorry, I'm gonna have to jump off screen for a second. Cool. I think I did it. Let's open this up a little bit. Why is that so small? Click in the virtual screen to send keys. Easy install is installing Ubuntu 64. Internet connection is required for Ubuntu 14 and higher to install Open VM tools. Okay. I mean, it looks like it's working, but I don't understand why it's so tiny. Alright, so I did a few things following another video, basically, to hopefully get this maximized. So I'll go over exactly what I did in a minute after I let this run. But hopefully this will fix my whole issue with this being tiny. Did not get any bigger. Oh wait, there we go. Maybe I just had to wait for it to actually... That's weird. So if I hit like maximum or whatever, full screen. Okay, I just have to hit full screen mode. All right, cool. So that's good. I want to skip this. I will try to go over the best I can what I did to set this up. But pretty much, yeah, I mean, pretty much all I had to do was go into here. Can't really see this right now, huh? No. Alright, there's a search box up here that I can't see because this is in the way. Okay, cool. I can hit the little pin button. Perfect. Alright, so I just typed in terminal, and if you go to the terminal, I'll try to make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see what I'm typing here, which it's still pretty small, but anyway. Pretty much what you want to do first, if your screen is still small and you want to try to get it large, then you're just going to type in sudo and then do apt update and then hit enter. Run that first, and then after that is done, you want to write sudo apt install build dot essential dkms linux dash headers dash the $, and then parentheses uname space dash r parentheses. Then hit enter, let that run, and then press Y. It'll say yes or no with a little Y and N. So just hit Y, hit enter, let it run again, and then after all that's done running, just go up to the top here and power off your virtual machine, or power it off, and then reopen it. And when you reopen it, you should be able to resize it and get it full screen. What exactly is this live patch? Commercial live patch helps keep your computer secure by applying some updates that would normally require restarting. Setup live patch. I don't know. I don't really feel like setting anything up right now. Send system info to that. No, thank you. Privacy and location services allow application to determine your geological location. No, thank you. You're ready to go. Done. All right. That's it, guys. It looks like we have our Linux installed on our virtual machine, and yeah, I think this is it. It's kind of weird. It's like almost like looks similar to like Android or something. I'm gonna mess around more with this and customizing it. Maybe I'll make some more videos on that later once I figure out how to do it. But I think that's it for this video. I think I showed pretty much everything I wanted to, which was, you know, setting up VirtualBox and installing Linux onto your VirtualBox so that you can use the Linux operating system. So yeah, I think that is everything that I wanted to go over in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you're new like I am to these operating systems, this is a good way to kind of test them out without causing too many issues. I know I did a video not too long ago, about how what to expect when dual booting with Linux, because I actually did dual boot my computer with Linux Mint a little while ago. I have recently actually removed that from my computer just because I wasn't using it. It was taking up a lot of space. And yeah, so this time around I'm doing it again in a virtual machine, which I think will be a lot better for me. And I'm doing it for my class because I'm taking a class on operating systems for programmers. So I will definitely be making some videos about Linux, hopefully, and what I learn in this class. Pretty excited about it. But that's all. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Helps me out, gives me motivation to keep making these videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.